Hi guys, it's Jessica. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make decorative plants for your house. So this is an affordable way. If you go to a thrift store and you look for ceramics or anything that has a shape that can be useful for a planter, you try to visualize that. For example, I got this, it looks like it was a holder for your kitchen utensils. And I really like the color of it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around so that you don't see the lettering, and I'm going to use it as a planter. So the important thing for plants, of course, is drainage. So I've already started making some holes here. If you want to look at what I'm going to do, I bought these, or we had these diamond, they have to have a diamond head. They're for ceramics or glass, and you put a bit on your drill, and we're going to make holes without cracking the ceramic. So it's very important you have the right drill bit. So I'm just going to drill through. And in reverse. And there we go, we have a nice hole. So now you see I have a few small drainage holes. This will be perfect. So now I want to show you over here, I got some bases. Bases for very economical. You just look for something that you think will be a pretty base to put your planter in so the water collects and you don't damage your furniture. So this was $5. I thought it was a pretty gold color. And there was a bigger one too, and this one was $6. So very affordable way. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just putting a plant in there, but it will give it some style. So now we're going to plant our plant. So I have here, this is a snake plant, and these are excellent for removing mold and mycotoxins from your home. These are very healthy to have in every corner of the room. So I'm going to try to make use of one of these and divide it into several and have them grow large and beautiful in several rooms. This is a great plant that doesn't need a whole lot of light. So don't worry about having lots of windows because it will thrive in darker places. So I'm just going to try to loosen it. This is pretty tight in its roots. It's ready to go into a larger space, but you see how it has different offshoots here, different little roots. I'm going to try to separate these without damaging the root. There we go. So here is one that might work in here, and I'm going to try to get one more. Okay, so we are going to put these two in here. That looks pretty. I'm going to fill it up with some good soil. Make sure that your soil level is not past the base of the plant stem. You don't want it to drown with water or get root rot.